And if you are, give me a big thumbs up so that I know you guys are ready. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys are ready so that I can know. Okay, Afreen is ready with her book and pen. Sahil Yaqub, Shifa. Give Didi a second, okay? Okay, if you can see my screen, give me a thumbs up. Amazing, guys. Thank you so much. All right. I'm going to keep your chat open so that I can see what you guys are. Guys, you're going to keep yourselves on mute. Didi is not going to ask you to mute yourself. And you will keep your videos also on. Faizan, please keep your video on. We are starting the class. All right. Okay, I can see everybody is sitting in their smart positions, are ready with their books and pens. Amazing, guys. All right. Okay. Okay, the norms of our class. Okay, guys, quickly look at the norms of our class. We are going to keep our videos on. We are going to keep ourselves on mute. I can see someone is not on mute. Sabah, can you please put yourself on mute? Thank you so much, Sabah. Can you, I don't want anybody to unmute themselves and whistle in the classroom. We are sitting in the classroom. Afreen, can you please mute yourself, Baba? You're sitting in the classroom. All right. Okay, we are going to keep ourselves on mute. We are going to quickly chat. Afreen, you have kept yourself on unmute. Can you keep yourself? Thank you, Baba. Amazing. All right. You're going to chat it out whenever I ask you to. Give me answers privately. Okay, privately. You're going to raise your silent hands whenever you have an answer or whenever you have a doubt. Give me a big thumbs up when I ask you to. And you can clap when you like someone's answer and you really want to appreciate it. Okay, amazing, guys. Okay, so remember this, and we are going to quickly move on to the next slide. Be ready with your book and pen that I told you already. Some people are trying to join in. Yeah, okay, chalo. We are going to start. Let's recollect what we have done in the previous class. Okay, the first is sources of history. Guys, what are sources of history? Define sources of history. Define sources of history. Raise your silent hands and I will come to you. Sanya, unmute yourself and answer.
The past.
Yes, Sanya.
Sources of history give us information about what happened in the past.
Good job. Thank you so much, Sanya. Please mute yourself. Very well done. Okay. 3 types of sources. Guys, quickly raise your hand and I will give one of you the answer, chance to answer. 3 types of sources. Quickly. 3 types of sources. Okay, Muskan is raising her hand. Shifa is, Shabista is. I'm going to quickly give the chance to Shifa. Aniket, please keep yourself on mute.
These 3 types are sources are written source, oral source, and material source.
Good job. High five. Very well done. All right. The next is Mona Lisa painting. Okay, this is the fastest finger, guys. You're going to quickly type it to me. Say yes or no. Is Mona Lisa painting a material source of history? Yes or no? Quickly type it out in the chat box. For those, Aniket, please keep yourself on mute. privately send it to me. Whether is Mona Lisa painting a material source of history?
Name two written sources of history. Religious manuscripts.
Yes, miss.
Religious manuscripts.
Okay, so a lot of you have said yes. Yes, I think Faizan is saying yes, Shabista is saying yes, Vivek and Fardina are saying yes, Afreen is saying yes. Yes, guys, you are right. Mona Lisa painting is a material source of history. Good job, guys. Guys, Faizan, can you please mute yourself, Baba?
Description or
Samya, can we mute Faizan?
yes, I am muted.
Amazing, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. All right, the last one. Name two written sources of history. Quickly type it out in the chat box and tell me two sources of two written sources of history. Quickly, guys. Very easy question. Illu is raising her hand. I will come to Illu. I'll wait for a few responses on the chat box. Okay, thank you so much, Shifa. Thank you so much, Sabah. Two, guys. You have named only one. Two, guys. Two. You are only naming one. Okay, Sabah has named two already. Shifa has said something, but I'm not sure. Muskan has named two. Faizan has named three. Amazing. Good job. Good job, Muskan. Guys, come on. Written sources of history. Good job, Tanya. I'm going to unmute Illu. Illu, can you answer the question? Two written sources of history. Please unmute yourself and answer. Good job, Sabah. I like how you are sending it to me in private. All of you, the answers are correct. Okay. Illu?
प्रिया दीदी चैट पे
Yes.
लिख के भेजो.
Chat pe, you want to tell us? Hello? Okay, so Illu is writing on the chat. I'm going to quickly read out your answers. You guys have said Holy Book, which is a religious manuscript, treaties, stone inscriptions, biographies, treaties. You have given us a lot of examples. Good job, guys. Very well done to all of you. Okay, we are going to quickly move on. Soumya, Mantasha is trying to call me. If you can reach out to her.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so we are going to move on. Okay. Now remember this story, this reading we had done before. Does anybody want to give me a recap of what we had done, what we had read in this? Recap, anybody who wants to give me a recap? I am looking at my chat also. Illu, yeah, that's the correct answer. Anybody who wants to give Didi a recap of what we had done previously on this slide? Raise your hand. Zoya, welcome to the class. Can you please mute yourself and keep your video on? And please next time try to be on time, okay? I'm going to ask Shabista to answer. Shabista, I'm unmuting you. Quickly go ahead and answer. Yeah. Yes, Shabista.
Hello.
Yes.
Didi, what's the question?
The question is what we had done in this slide. What were we reading about? Do you remember anything? If yes, can you give me an example?
Didi, Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Yes, we were reading about Taj Mahal. What else? This is a script written by a boy. He went to Taj Mahal. What else did he do at Taj Mahal? Anybody else who remembers and wants to share? I am going to go to Shifa. Yes, Shifa. Unmuting you.
Didi, we are reading the one boy is telling my dream is I want to go to Taj Mahal and Agra. He went.
Yeah.
They cannot go to Agra Friday because there is मतलब नमाज का time में रहता है. That's why he cannot go.
Yes. Good job. Amazing. I like how you remember the small details that he couldn't go on Friday because during Friday there is a namaz going on in the masjid of Taj Mahal. What else? How did he spend time with his family? Is there anything mentioned about that? If yes, you can raise your hand and I will come to you. You guys only had read this, Baba. Mustaqim is raising his hand. Yes, Mustaqim. Okay, if we don't remember, that's completely okay. We are going to take 1 minute. No, let's give you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly read through the entire experience of this boy. I'm going to give you 2 minutes, okay? Okay, Muskan already knows the answer. Yes, Muskan. Yes.
Didi, he spent time with his family that they stay in afternoon Itmad ud Dawla to have a lunch and
Yeah, they stayed at Itmad ud Dawla to have lunch. Amazing. Thank you so much, Muskan. Okay, now towards the right side of the slide, what can you see? There is something drawn. What is that? Can anybody describe that to Didi? Look carefully and describe that to Didi. What can you see towards the right side of the slide? What is drawn? Take 30 seconds. Observe carefully. You can quietly send the message to Didi or you can raise your hand and Didi will come to you. Good job, guys. Good job, Faizan. Good job, Muskan. Good job, Sabba. Yes. What can you see on the map? What can you see now that you have answered? It's the map of Agra. What can you see on the map? What are the different things that you can see on the map? You can type it out or you can raise your hand. Didi will come to you. I'm going to give Fardeen a chance to answer. Fardeen, what can you see on the map? Then I'll come to Shifa. Yes, Fardeen. Can you
I
please
can see building,
yeah.
Red
Okay.
Fort, bridge,
Red Fort. Yes.
bridge, or Agra city.
Correct.
Taj Mahal,
Taj Mahal. Yes.
Agra city,
Yes. Correct.
Agra bus stop,
Agra bus stop. All right. There are so many
Hotel.
things that you can see. Okay. Hotel.
Then
All right. Thank you so much, Fardeen. All right. Guys, all of this that is drawn here, was it also mentioned in the letter or in this text that we had read? Yes or no? Quickly type it out. Fastest finger, guys. Type it up. Type it out to Didi. Yes or no? Was it mentioned in the text? Okay. Thank you so much, Muskan. Waiting for others. Good job. Good job, Shifa. Good job, Muskan. Good job, Sabah. Yes, Vivek is giving me a thumbs up. Yes. All right. Yes, Abhita, I know you want to answer. Didi will give you a chance. All right, guys. Amazing. Yes, you all said yes. Whatever was drawn on the map was also mentioned in the text. Amazing. Samya Gullu is trying to reach out to me. Can you give her a call?
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the next image. Look at it carefully and tell me what are some of the things that you can see. And this time I'm going to unmute you so that you can answer. Since Shabista wanted to answer first, I'm going to go ahead with Shabista, then Shifa, then Mantasha. Okay, Didi is coming to all of you. Shabista, can you unmute yourself and answer, please?
Didi, I can see that they are going to plane.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
There are then they go to car
Okay.
and day 5 Sunday or 16.
Okay. Amazing. Good observation, Shabita. Thank you so much for answering.
दीदी एक सोर्स है
What? Yes, Shabita.
source.
Aniket, can you please mute yourself?
दीदी it's a written source.
It's a written source. Amazing. Thank you so much, Shavita. It's a written source. Yes, you are correct. Okay. Oh no, my slides. Okay. I'm going to ask one more person to answer. I know that Shifa really wanted to answer, so I'm just going to give her a chance. Okay. And then we'll move to, oh my God. Yes, you guys are right. You are writing in the private chat. That's correct. It's a written source. Shifa, what else can you observe in this image?
दीदी वहाँ पे वो like there is signboards to
Okay.
airport, beach and
What
दीदी
is
वहाँ
written,
पे
Shifa? What's written on it?
all around there is castle,
Okay.
many different kinds of rice.
Yes. Very good. Keep on observing, Shifa. I'll come back to you. Quickly, I'm going to ask Vivek and Fardeen since they were raising their hands. Okay, Faizan, I'm also going to read out your answer in a minute.
I
Yes?
don't understand what is this.
Okay, you don't understand what is this. Can you try to read it and understand what this could be? Fardeen,
Yes.
written source है.
Fardeen, not now. We will do that in the closing circle, okay? Riddles in the closing circle, guys. Okay? All right. So Faizan is saying it's about the person's holiday that they went to Paradise Beach. Okay, good job, guys. All of you have answered right. It is a written source. I forgot to ask you which kind of source was this one? Can you guess the source of it? Hello, Jose. Please try to come to class on time, okay? Okay, you guys are giving me the answers. All right. Yes, correct. It's a written source. Okay. Both of these are. Guys, we are going to practice to keep ourselves on mute. Didi is not going to do it for anybody. Good job, guys. Amazing. Okay, so both of these are written sources. Now, what kind of source is this? This is a travelogue, okay? One of you in your loud teacher voice is going to read what a travelogue is. It's mentioned on the slide. Yes, Vivek.
Can I read?
Yes, you can read. Go ahead, Fardeen. Yes.
A traveler is a person's account of a journey to another country or place.
Yes, what do you think it means?
It is meant to book a place another country from account.
Okay, good job. Okay, you're almost there. Somebody who would like to also add to that? A travelogue is a person's account of a journey to another place. Tanya, you want to give it a shot? Please unmute yourself and answer.
मतलब दीदी ट्रैवलर जो है वो और कंट्री और प्लेस जाता है सब जन के प्राइवेट अकाउंट्स लेके.
Okay, all right. Very close. Yes, anybody else who wants to try? What is a travelogue? I'll just give you a hint. The last two texts that we saw and the images that we saw, those were travelogues. Now, what does that mean? Yes, Fadin,
Didi,
we'll give someone else a chance, then I'll come back to you. Okay, I'm happy that you know the answer.
Didi,
Yes,
can I
Shabista.
tell?
Who's? Yes, you can go ahead.
दीदी like traveler मतलब जो जगह जगह घूमते like we want to go another out of India we get a passport like that.
Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. But that's true. They travel, but what do they do while traveling? What do they do while traveling? Just they only travel. All right. Yes, Sabista, I'm giving you a chance to answer. Please unmute yourself and
दीदी
answer.
जब वो लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं वो लोग फोटो खींचते हैं या अपने जर्नी के बारे में नोट करते कि मेरे को कैसा फील हुआ वो लोग पूरा अच्छे से लिखते हैं.
Very good, Shabista. All right. Guys, we'll try to answer in English, and I can see that you guys have turned off your videos. So I'm going to give you again 5 seconds to turn on your videos. Your videos need to be turned on, guys. All right. Good job, Shabista. A travelogue is जहाँ पे एक person अपने पूरे experience के बारे में लिखता है. They write about their experience and also they take pictures of it or make drawings of it. Okay. All right, understood. Does anybody want to repeat what Didi just said? I want someone to repeat what Didi just said.
Yes.
Muskan, I'm going to ask you to do that. Please unmute yourself and repeat what Didi said. What is a travelogue? What Didi explained, not what's written over here, but what you understood when Didi said a travelogue, what a travelogue is.
Did it mean that travel mean that?
Yes. Muskan, we can't hear you, Baba. I'm gonna go to Faizan. Faizan, yes, unmute yourself and answer.
A travelogue is a book in which he
Mhm.
writes about his journey to another country or place.
Okay. Can they? What else is there in the travelogue? It's only that they write. What else do they do?
No, they also take pictures or make drawings about
Amazing. Good job.
where they went.
Good. About where they went. Good job. Good job. Amazing. All right. I know that all of you who raised your hands knew the answers. Thank you so much. Okay. So a travelogue is basically writing something that of wherever you went. It can be another country. It can be another place also. You don't have to just go to one country, another country. It could be anywhere. Okay. It could be the picnic that you guys had gone to, Maholi. You can write about that too. All right. Okay, you can write about any new place that you had gone to. Amazing. Now we will move on. So our objective for today is we will be able to identify the components. We did not discuss this, but what do you think? You said that they write about their experience. There is also pictures involved. Okay, so you now know what are the different components. What else can you write in the travelogue? What was mentioned in the travelogue? What were the different things that were mentioned in the travelogue? क्या क्या mention किया था? जब भी वो experience लिख रहे थे, उन्होंने अपने experience में क्या क्या mention किया था? शिफा, please unmute yourself and answer, and then we'll come to.
दीदी मतलब
If you're not understanding,
ना
हाँ
ट्रैवलर का बताना है ना.
हाँ, जो travelogue हमने देखे दो, उसके अंदर क्या चीजें कॉमन थी, क्या चीज तुमने नोटिस की कि दोनों में थी, जो उन्होंने लिखा था या ड्रॉ किया था उसमें?
दीदी जो मतलब हम लोग अब पहले पढ़े थे he went to the Agra like he they went to the another countries.
करेक्ट. तो वहां पे आगरा मतलब प्लेस मेंशन की गई थी कि उन लोग कौन सी प्लेस पे गए थे. All right. What else was mentioned? Good job, Muskan. Places were mentioned. What else was mentioned? Where they went. Good job. Okay. Thank you so much, Joseph, for the time check. All right. What else was mentioned? Yes, Anya. Can you unmute yourself and answer?
Didi, first they visit the place and they observe the place and they write the her experience and
Yes.
nothing.
In the experience, what are the things that they saw? They observed. Very good. All right. Yes, Shabista. Unmute yourself and answer. Good job. और क्या क्या मेंशन किया गया था उसके अंदर? Yes, Shabista.
It was written date. Sunday
Date.
5, Sunday 16.
Yes, date was also mentioned. Okay, so you guys have said
And-
place. What are the things they watched? Date
and Didi, they also draw that we go to plane and then we then we go to car and we all
yes,
have
good
fun.
job. They went by plane or car or whatever. So transportation कैसे गए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह? Good job. Thank you so much for mentioning that, Shabista. What else? What else did they mention in their travelogue? और क्या क्या mention किया था उन्होंने? Yes, we will have to write, not now, Vivek. That will be our post work. Okay, we will have to write a travelogue, guys. Okay, so for those of you who want a little bit of help, Didi has written down here for you. Okay, so this first about the place. के वो place कैसी थी? Remember how you guys mentioned that. Guys, please unmute yourself. Okay. Remember how you said that Taj Mahal is not open on Fridays because there is namaz going on. So that is the research bit, knowing what the place is all about. Okay, giving the photographic description. कैसी दिखती है photo में? So somebody drew that. Okay, what they observed. How do the people there live? These are some of the things you can write, guys. Okay, we will send this checklist in the WhatsApp group. The do's and don'ts of the place if there are any. Okay, write what you like the most about the place, and the last one is highlight why one should visit this place, why one should go to this place. So this is how you can write your own travelogue. Okay, this is going to be your post work, so you're not going to do it now. You're going to do it on your in your notebook, and you're going to send Didi a picture. Okay. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you know how to write a travelogue now, or at least have an idea how you will be writing a travelogue. Thank you so much, Shifa. Thank you so much, Shabista. Okay. Thank you so much, Ilma. Thank you so much, Shahid. Tanya. All right. So the rest of you are still not confident with writing the travelogue. Thank you so much, Mantasha and Nausheen. I know Habib, I know Huzef and Faizan are not confident. Anybody else who's not feeling confident, give me a thumbs down so I know. Okay, Vivek is not feeling confident. All right. I'm going to make this very easy for you guys, okay? Since Huzef was the first one to raise his hand, I'm going to come to Huzef. Huzef, can you tell me one of your favorite places?
Didi, Aksa Beach.
Aksa Beach. Okay. Do you know how Aksa Beach looks like?
Yeah, Didi?
Do you know how Aksa Beach looks like?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know what are the things that you can do on the beach?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know where Aksa Beach is?
No, Didi.
No, it is in Malad. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Do you know how do you go by Aksa Beach?
Yes.
What are the things that you like to do at Aksa Beach?
Or Didi, play and
Yeah.
take
Yeah.
bath.
Okay, amazing. Do you know what kind of clothes do people wear on beaches?
Yes, Didi.
What kind of food they eat on the beaches?
Yes.
Amazing. So you have to write all of this in the travelogue. This is going to
Okay.
be
Okay.
West Aksa Beach travelogue. Okay, and you can
Yes.
also draw the beach. Huh? Now, how many of you are confident to write the travelogue? Give me a thumbs up. I want you all to be confident. Then Didi will move ahead. Wow, so many thumbs up. Good job, guys. Okay, it's very simple. Sorry, Didi made it a little complicated for you. I'll try to make it very simple for you guys. Okay, amazing. I'm getting a lot of thumbs up, lot of yes on the chat. That means you're confident enough to write the travelogue. Okay, so we are all going to create our travelogue and send it to Didi. All right, let's move on. Okay, so our first objective is done. We will be able to identify components. Second is we will be able to create travelogue, which we are going to do as a post-work. Now we will be able to identify a kind of resource, a kind of source. Okay. Now, how many of you were able to watch the two videos that Didi had sent in the pre-work? This video and this video. How many of you watched these two videos? If yes, give me a thumbs up.
No,
If no, you can type it in the chat box. Mantasha wasn't able to. The rest of you guys. For the ones who were not able to, the first video was, I'm going to play it for you guys so that you can guess, okay? If you can hear it, give me a thumbs up. How many of you could hear that song? And if you could, which song is that? Does anybody want to give a guess? Yes, Vivek and Fardeen, since you give me a thumbs up, which song is that? Can you unmute yourself and share?
Didi, Jodha Akbar.
Jodha Akbar. Which song is that though?
Miss,
क्या है song
I
का?
cannot hear.
नाम क्या है song का?
सॉन्ग का नाम नहीं मालूम. मैंने सॉन्ग ही नहीं देखा था.
मेरे ख्वाजा.
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा. Good
जब
job,
पैसा
guys.
नहीं हो जब
Okay. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा. All right. Now I'm going to play another song that I had, another video that I had sent. Okay. tell me if you can hear this one. Guys, you were supposed to listen to this and come to class, Baba. Now hear this carefully, okay?
Folk Tales of India. Folk Tales of India. Tales from Rajasthan. The Wishing Tree. One day, a traveler was passing through a desert. After walking for a few miles, he felt tired, hungry, and thirsty. It's been such a long journey. How I wish I could rest for a while under a tree. When suddenly, how I wish I had water to drink. How I wish I had something to eat. All that food made him wish for a bed, and he got one too. Oh, how I wish I had someone to massage my feet. Actually, he was under the shade of the Kapla Vriksha, a magical tree. Whoever was under it could have whatever they wished for. After a long nap, the traveler wakes up. I'm sure this is a magical part of the desert. Wait, could there be a demon around too? Are you going to eat me up? Yes, get ready. How I wish the demon disappears. What is all this? Was this all a dream? Perhaps the Almighty grants us all our thoughts in the desert. I must be careful what I think.
Okay. So what was this exactly, guys? Can you tell? Oh God. I'm going to ask one of you to answer. Yeah. Who's there?
दीदी एक कवाली थी खाजा मेरे
In
खाजा
English,
की.
who's there?
One is kawali and one
Yeah.
is Volca Talis of India.
Folk Tales of India, yeah. But what was that exactly? What was Folk Tales of India? What was there in the video? Shabista?
दीदी हम लोग इसमें बता रहे थे कि ये ओरल
English, Shabista.
दीदी it was oral source.
It was oral source, okay, Shabista. But what was there in the video?
Didi, in video there was a person. It was in Rajasthan,
Yeah.
and he was very tired.
Mhm.
She wished she tired. He was tired, and she tried to rest and in a shadow of magical tree, and then he tell I want to drink some water, and
Right.
the magical tree give her his water,
Yes, amazing, Shabista. So what is
food,
this exactly?
and
What are
then
you telling
a
me?
pet.
Yes, what are you
Hello.
telling me, Shabista? Yeah.
दीदी हिंदी में बोलो, आपको सुनाई नहीं आ रहा लगता है.
नहीं, मुझे आ रहा है. I'm saying आप ये सब मुझे जो बता रहे हैं वो क्या बोल रहे हैं आप मुझे?
हाँ दीदी, वो स्टोरी जो वो
What are you telling? Yes, exactly. So it's a story, all right? Good job. Good
Your
job,
voice is
Sabita. So you're
breaking.
basically telling me
Your
a
voice is
story, guys.
breaking,
For
Didi.
those of you have what? I know somebody is trying to speak. Yes, you guys are right. Privately, also, you have told me a story of magical tree
Also,
story tales from
a
Rajasthan.
couple of people are have unmuted. It's creating a lot of noise. 1 minute. Give me a minute.
हाँ
Guys,
दीदी
please mute yourself.
Yeah,
Please mute yourself.
guys, we are trying to mute ourselves so that Didi doesn't have to keep on muting and unmuting you. You need to form that habit that you keep yourself on mute.
दीदी आपकी आवाज स्लो आ रही है
Can you hear me better now? Okay.
नहीं दीदी
All right. I'm going to mute everybody.
Mute everybody.
Where can you mute everybody because
Sania, please keep yourself on mute.
I think we'll have to mute them, Soumya. Can you mute everybody? All right, guys. So Didi will keep on. Is my voice breaking?
No, we can hear you. Also, Sohail, can we please sit in a smart position? Sohail.
Guys, Sohail, can you sit in your smart position, please? You are in the school. You're in the class. Thank you. Where is your book and pen, Baba? Where is your book and pen? Where will you write down your notes? Can you please go get your book and pen in next 20 seconds? Please go. Okay, get your book and your pen. Thank you. All right, amazing, guys. Okay, I want everybody to put on your videos like Didi discussed. It'll be difficult to mark you present if your videos are not on, because Didi wouldn't know what you guys are doing if I can't see you. Thank you so much, Sabah. Thank you so much, Faizan, Shabista. Waiting for Iram and Zoya. Waiting for Afreen, Mustaqim, Sheikh Zoya. Come on, guys. Himanshu. All right. Thank you. Amazing. All right. So I'm just going to display my screen again. Give me a big thumbs up if you can see my screen. Yeah. Iram, it's okay. Even if you're sitting in dark, I don't mind. I need you to keep your camera on. All right. Okay. So like Shabista said, this is a story. This is a song. All right. But this is a song. And what is this? Towards your right, the pink image. What is that? Observe the image and I will ask you. What does it look like? What does it say? And heard this anywhere? Okay, Faizan is saying it's Kahawat. Someone has raised their hand. Iram is saying it's Kahawat. Yes, Tanya. What is it?
It's like a story part. One part
The part
of the
of
story.
yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Have you heard this in any of your classes before? Where? Yes, Iram.
Didi, I have seen this Kahawat in TV shows.
TV shows also. Okay, amazing. Okay, Faizan is also saying villages. All right, amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so this is a kahawat. You guys are right. This is a proverb. Okay, now the image on the bottom left. Okay, it's in yellow. What is that? Does anybody want to read it out loud for Didi and all your friends? Loud teacher voice. I am going to ask Illu to read this one. Loud teacher voice, Illu. Yes. I've unmuted you, Illu.
One, five.
Can you hear Illu? All of you? No, Illu, we can't hear you. Anybody else who wants to read? Yes. I'm going to ask Sabha to read. Go ahead, Sabha.
Which one?
The one on the left, the yellow one with leaves.
Don't be satisfied with stories our things have gone with other. Unfold your own myth, Rami.
Rumi. Okay. Do you guys know who Rumi is? Does anybody know who Rumi is? Yes, Faizan. You've raised your hand. Tell me who Rumi is. No, Shabista doesn't know. Faizan, I'm trying to unmute you, but I think you're stuck. Okay. So guys, for those of you who don't know, Rumi is a famous, world famous poet. Okay. He used to write poetry.
Persian
poetry.
poet.
Yes, good job. Thank you. He's a Persian poet. All right. So this is one of the poetry. No, these are one of the two lines that he has written. Okay. His poetries were very big, so we couldn't get it. But these are a couple of lines that he has written, and he's a poet. Now, looking at this, what kind of a source is this? What kind of a source of history these images? Yes, Hiram.
Written
Yes,
source.
Hiram. Written sources. A folk song is a written source, Hiram.
No folk song.
Yeah.
No oral source.
A folk story. Folk. What does the word folk mean? I'm sorry, I forgot to ask you this.
Folk means पुराने जमाने का मतलब पहले का
Very
पुराने
good.
टाइम.
Very good. Amazing. Okay. So, what kind of source is this then, Iram? We had three
Oral
types
source.
of sources. Yes, good job. Okay, it's an oral source. Thank you so much for answering. All right. So all of these sources that I mentioned here are oral sources. Okay, they've been spoken at some point in the past. ओके कहा गया है कभी ना कभी पास्ट के अंदर, उसको बोलते हैं ओरल सोर्स. ओके नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू क्विकली गो थ्रू द डेफिनेशन एंड द एग्जाम्पल. All right. Everybody, you are going to repeat after Didi. I want your mouths to move because you're going to repeat after Didi. All right. Everybody, eyes on Didi in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are oral sources? Good job, Vivek and Fardeen. Aniket, I want you to repeat after Didi. Thank you so much. Ilma, Saba, Iram, Tanya. Okay. Oral sources are spoken accounts of past events. Good job guys. जो पहले के जमाने में हो गया वो जब हम बोल के किसी को बताते हैं तो that is an oral source. ठीक है पहले के जमाने में जो चीज हो गई उसको आज हम बोलकर सबको बताते हैं that is an oral source. ठीक है पहले की जो स्टोरीज है पहले के जो सॉन्ग्स है ऑल राइट उसको जब हम बोल के किसी को बताते हैं that is an oral source. Okay now next. My god sorry this is a typing error. Types of oral sources. Repeat after Didi. Types of oral sources. Good job guys. Folk songs, shlokas. Shlokas are poetry in Sanskrit. Okay shlokas. Always is also poetry in always is poetry in Urdu guys. Okay this is a typing error. Didi will send a fresh slide to you after Didi is done making the corrections. Okay so always is poetry in Urdu. Abhangas, repeat after Didi. Abhangas and povadas that is poetry in Marathi. The last example is folk tales, legends and proverbs. The proverbs, the ones that we had just done, बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद, that's a proverb. Okay all right guys take 3 minutes to quickly write this down in your notebook. Okay write what are oral sources. Okay write folk and types of oral sources. यहाँ पे दीदी से गलती हो गया. Didi is making the necessary changes guys. 3 minutes your time starts now. I want everybody to start writing. Okay thank you. So instead of written, you're going to write oral. Instead of Sanskrit, you're going to write Urdu. Okay, these are the two changes. Good job, guys. I can see Sanya is writing. If you're done, give me a thumbs up so Didi knows that we have to move on. Okay, Sabha is writing. Shifan, Faizan are done. All right. Good job, guys. Aniket, are you done writing? Joseph, you're raising your hand, so I'm going to come to you. Yes, Joseph.
आरजू दीदी ये
Yeah.
ओरल के रिटर्न के उसमें ओरल लिखने का है
हाँ क्योंकि इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ ओरल सोर्स नो और संस्कृत दीदी ने गलती से लग गया वहां पे उर्दू लिखना है ओके सबा इज डन Afreen is done. Aniket is done. I'm waiting for a few more. Idam, are you done? Zoya is done too. Okay. Faizan, you're raising your hand. Do you have a doubt? Yes, Faizan. Okay, I'm going to give 30 more seconds and then we are going to come back. All right. Waiting for a few more thumbs up. Guys, again, you guys have put your videos off. Can you please switch on your videos? Okay, Shabista is doing good. Yes. Sanya, yes.
दीदी जो टाइप्स ऑफ ओरल सोर्स है वो सब जो नाम लिखे संस्कृत उर्दू उसके वो सब वो नाम से ना ओरल सोर्स के
या जैसे कि श्लोका जो है ना संस्कृत में पोइट्री को श्लोका बोलते हैं उर्दू में पोइट्री को ओवेस बोलते हैं और मराठी में पोइट्री को बोलते हैं अभंगास एंड पोवाड़ा ओके तो ये सब सोर्सेस के नाम है ठीक है जैसे कि कोई फोक सॉन्ग हो गया पुराने जमाने के सॉन्ग या पुराने जमाने की कोई पोइट्री हो गई वो सारे ओरल सोर्स है ठीक है वैसे पुराने जमाने की अकबर बीरबल की स्टोरीज तुम लोग ने सुनी है राइट ओके सो दोज आर सोर्सेज ऑफ face. Very well. Okay, let's go. Let's move on. Okay, so we are going to now. Okay, I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, so अभी हम सिर्फ pause करेंगे. सब लोग pause हो जाओ. Everybody, look at Didi. Eyes on Didi. Keep your pens down. Eyes on Didi. Keep your pens down. Joseph, are you eating something? Can you have your eyes on Didi? Amazing. Okay. तो अभी हम दो चीजों के बारे में recap करेंगे. First, के कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ट्रैवल लॉग. ट्रैवल लॉग में क्या क्या है, क्या क्या होता है, क्योंकि आज तुम लोग अपना ट्रैवल लॉग लिखने वाले हो. सेकंड इज ओरल सोर्स में क्या होता है. ओके, I'm going to give you 20 seconds to keep your cameras on and then we will start. Didi needs to form this habit in you guys that you need to keep your cameras on. I'm going to wait for everybody to keep their cameras on. Okay. Ilma is saying her Zoom app is stopping again and again. Okay, Ilma, you can keep your camera off. Other than that, I want everybody to keep their cameras on. Okay. I'm waiting for Himanshu. I'm waiting for Iram. Iram, we will have a discussion about what you said on the chat box. Okay, later. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Now, components of travel log. Yes, thank you so much for the time check, guys. All of you were 5 minutes late, and our class is till 2:15, so we still have 8 minutes to go. Okay, come on, let's start. What are the components of travel log? What are the different things in the travel log? क्या क्या होता है travel log में? I am going to wait for you guys to raise your hand and then we will move on. What are the different things in the travel log? कौन सी चीजें लिखी होती है travel log के अंदर? Huzef, I'm going to ask you to answer this question. Yes. Yes, Huzef. Didi and you had discussed this, Baba. अक्सा बीच पे जाओगे तो कौन सी चीजें लिखोगे ट्रैवल लॉग के अंदर? अनम्यूट किया आपको?
Yes, Didi.
क्या? ओके, कौन सी चीजें लिखोगे जब अक्सा बीच पे जाओगे तो?
Clothes
Okay, what clothes people are wearing. Okay, what else?
and food, water bottle.
Food, water bottle. Okay, what else
And
will you write in your travel log? और क्या लिखोगे? लिखोगे कैसे गए थे वहां पे? Yes.
Didi, auto
Yes.
से.
ऑटो से गए थे वो लिखोगे. What else will you write in your travel log? और क्या लिखोगे?
और दीदी ऑटो से जा सकते हैं या बस से भी जा सकते हैं.
Yes, वो भी आप लिख के दोगे. All right. और लिखोगे. All right. Amazing. Does anybody want to add? Iram, I know Shabista and Tanya are raising her hand. Yes. Yes, Iram.
I will write how many shops I see around when I was traveling from there and
Okay,
what
how-
all ways I can do.
Very good.
And signals, how many signals will come.
Okay, amazing. All right. Okay.
And
Signals, how many shops? What else will you write? Anything interesting that you will write?
huh?
Or what else will you
What?
write?
What is this?
Which is your favorite place, Iram? And think about that and then tell me what else will you write. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yes, right about where we go. Yes, bites of food. Yes, correct. All right. What else? Shabista, you're raising your hand since a very long time. I'll come to you and then Sanya.
I will click pictures and what day I have got. I will write that and my feelings, how I enjoy my journey, and who go with me, and I go. I will write all the details about it.
Amazing. Good job. Okay. So basically guys, travel log में आपको कुछ बड़ा नहीं लिखना है. आपको लिखना है कि आप जब आपकी फेवरेट प्लेस पे गए थे या कोई नई जगह पे गए थे तो वो जगह कैसी थी, वो लोग कैसे थे, उन लोग क्या खाते हैं क्या नहीं. ऑल राइट. उसके बाद में वहां पर सबसे अच्छा क्या था, आपने कैसे वहां पे टाइम स्पेंड किया. तो दीज आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स जो लिखना है. ठीक है. अगर आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो तो इवन बेटर, लिख के साइड में ड्रॉ कर सकते हो कि ऐसी जगह थी, मैं यहाँ पर बैठी थी मेरी फैमिली के साथ. ओके. ट्रैवल लॉग उसी को कहते हैं. दैट्स इट, दैट्स ट्रैवल लॉग. अपने ट्रैवल के बारे में जो स्टोरी लिखना है उसको कहते हैं ट्रैवल लॉग. ठीक है. ऑल राइट गाइज, नाउ गिव मी अ थम्स अप दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि आज के पोस्ट वर्क में क्या कर रहे थे, आपने वहां पर कैसे टाइम स्पेंड किया, क्या खाया क्या पिया, कैसा लगा आपको वहां जाके, कौन सी अच्छी चीजें थी वहां पर, कैसे गए. ऑल ऑफ दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ, एंड इफ यू हैव अ पिक्चर यू कैन सेंड अ पिक्चर ऑल्सो टू दीदी. ओके. If we don't draw, will it be okay? Yes, Faizan, it will be okay. But if you draw, it will make your travel log more interesting. Okay, because I love seeing drawings. Do you guys love see drawings? Do you like when there is a drawing in something? Yes. So it will make it more interesting for everybody. Okay, amazing. Now, second, oral sources क्या होते हैं? Oral sources, guys. What are oral sources? Today only we learned. Maruf is raising his hand. Wow. Yes, Maruf.
मिस जिसको पढ़ते हैं.
Oral source जिसको हम पढ़ते हैं. Written source है जो हम पढ़ते हैं. Oral source क्या होता है? नाम
जिसको
से गैस करो क्या हो सकता है?
बिना देखे पढ़ते.
बिना
देखे.
बिना देखे पढ़ते हैं.
मुझे.
Okay. Okay. So many of you are raising your hand. I'm going to come to Habib. Yes, Habib. Yes. Yes, Habib.
The oral source is tell to pass thing to tell.
Yes, yes, telling things. Okay. All right. Good job. Yes, I'm going to ask Huzef. Huzef, yes. Yes, Huzef.
Yes, Didi. Source जो दीदी ओरल सोर्स मतलब कि जो हम लोग किसी को पढ़ के बताते.
हम किसी को बोल के बताते हैं.
हाँ.
ओके. बोल के बताना. ऑल राइट. गुड जॉब. यस शिफा.
दीदी लाइक हम लोग जैसे अभी हम लोग आगरा की स्टोरी सुने एंड वो राजा की स्टोरी सुने, लाइक दैट आर द ओरल सोर्सेस.
Good job. Okay. Okay. Amazing. Good job, guys. Okay. Today you have to write your travel log and send it to Didi. Then I will mark you present. Okay. I want everybody who is here in this class present. I want all of you to write the travel log and send it to Didi. Didi is going to give you a checklist के कौन सी चीजें उसमें होनी चाहिए. Okay. All right. Give me a thumbs up if everybody is comfortable writing a travel log today. Amazing. Thank you so much, Muskan, Shifa, Iram, Zoya, Himanshu, Sabah, Huzef, Shavista, Tanya, Afreen. Yes, you have a doubt, Huzef, I'm coming to you. And then I'm coming to Habib. Yes.
दीदी अभी
Samya,
जो
we can stop the recording.
ये